All right, so I need to make some solutions. So I need 0.1 molar copper 2 chloride, so CuCl2. So I have volumetric flasks that are 50 milliliters, so that's equivalent to 0.050 liters. And I'm going to multiply by the molarity, 0.1 moles per liter, and so that equals 0.005 moles of CuCl2. And I know that the molar mass, the formula weight of copper 2 chloride, let's see if I can find it on here. It's not given on this label, so we're going to calculate it. Now it's cupric chloride dihydrate, so that means it's got 2 water molecules, so CuCl2.2H2O. Okay, so I need to look up the molar mass of all this. I think that's 63.5 plus chlorine. Is 35.45 times 2 plus I've got 4 hydrogens, so that's 4.04, right? Plus I have 2 oxygens, so that's 32. And it's going to be 32.00. So let me just double check copper. Oops. 63.55. Okay, so let me add all this up. So 170.49 grams per mole. So if I need 0.005 moles times 170.49 grams per mole, I need 0.852 grams of CuCl2.2H2O. So I need 0.85 grams. I'm going to zero this out. And I've got my scupula. I'm going for 0.85 grams, which is not very much. Okay, then to help this, I'm going to dissolve it slightly. I'm going to be careful to transfer all of the copper chloride. Now you'll notice I just partially dissolved it. I'm just rinsing down the sides, trying to transfer all the copper chloride. Okay, I think this beaker has been rinsed well enough. And then when making a solution, I'm going to fill up carefully to the fill line. I'm going to get my meniscus. Well, hopefully you guys can see this. So I slow down at the neck. I'm gonna go till my meniscus is at that line, bottom of the meniscus. And then I will get some saran wrap and invert this. Usually we would use parafilm, but I'm not in my lab, I'm in my kitchen. Usually we wouldn't be doing this in a kitchen. And I've got my food cleaned up, and I'll clean up this before I do any food prep. Invert. All right, so this is 0.1 molar CuCl2. Let that dissolve. Okay, so I need to do the same calculation. I need 0.1 molar sodium phosphate. So this is 0.1 molar Na3PO4. And this time, this is sodium phosphate monohydrate. This one has a formula weight of 137.99 grams per mole. So again, I need 0.005 moles, same molarity, same size, times 137.99 grams per mole equals 0.6899 grams, so about 0.69 grams. Let's see, I just used this one. I'll use my clean beaker. Let me rinse off my copper. Sorry for the dirty dishes. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same process of dissolving. Again, I'm just washing down the sides, trying to get all the sodium phosphate dissolved and transferred to my volumetric flask. One more. Okay. Then I'll try and do this. Usually you do it on a flat surface. I'm trying to show the camera. Pretty darn close. Oops, overshot just a touch. I probably should have just stayed. We're gonna call it good because it just needs to be 0.1 molar with one significant digit. All right, so there's my sodium phosphate and copper chloride.